So essentially for this question, we need to find out if the two triangles given are congruent and whether or not they're similar. So let's start with congruency. One easy way to determine if we're dealing with congruent triangles is to compare their corresponding side lengths, because if they're all the same, then they are definitely congruent. And we're already given two of the three sides of each triangle, and we can find the third one quite easily since we're dealing with right triangles. We can use the Pythagorean theorem. So starting with the one on the left here, we can find out this side length, the hypotenuse, using the Pythagorean theorem. And just to save time, I'm going to skip the calculations there, but you would get to have a value of 13. And then over on the other triangle, if you use the Pythagorean theorem, you would find out that that missing side length is 12. Okay, so we can see now that we are dealing with congruent triangles. Each corresponding sides are the same length. Another way we could state that is that the triangles are congruent by side, side, side. Now, because we now know that both triangles are congruent, we can also conclude that they're also similar. And that's just because all congruent triangles will always be similar. It's just common sense. If you're dealing with two triangles that are exactly the same size, same measurements of all the sides, then the angles are going to be the same as well. So in the end, we can say that both Sky and Margaret are correct. And you can go ahead and read the explanation of why down below. At any rate, that would be it for this video, and thanks for visiting JD's preparation.